Welcome to a fragrance review. Today we're going to review Paco Rabanne's Pure Excess. This was one of the fragrances that came with the Viva box when I first started my journey, and it's often been described as a vanilla Coke with rum. Kind of. It doesn't have the sweetness. It has a little bit. It does have some sweetness in it, but it doesn't have that thick, just wonderful smell of Coke. It has a vanilla, it has a liquor, it has a little bit of ginger, give a little bit of spice on it. It's not bad. It's a good fragrance. It projects fairly well. Be good for a younger audience, I think. So I love rum and Cokes, and I think this smell could work maybe on somebody else, but there's some note in there that just doesn't work well off my skin. It smells just a little bit off, maybe a little bit sour. Maybe it's a distance of ginger or lemon that's in here that just makes it off-putting for me. It clearly was doing okay when I was doing the testing when I first did the Viva box, but because it really wasn't an office scent, it wasn't one that I could kind of wear all the time. This one felt more like an evening, maybe a party scent. Really wasn't what I was going for at the time. It didn't win. It's not bad. It projects, it lasts fairly well. I've kind of enjoyed this one here and there. It doesn't work terribly good off of my skin in terms of, it just seems to kind of a different note. One of the things I tend to do is I tend to put these things in oil diffusers to get them in the air to see what they smell like in the air. And this one does all right in there. Kind of makes the room smell pretty good. So Paco Rabanne's Pure Excess. I'm going to give this one a 5.5 out of 10.